Hey dolls, it's time for the empty apartment tour. You dolls have waited for this video for a long time on my channel and it's finally here. I get to show you my apartment and just show you how gorgeous it is, and I just can't wait to take you dolls along with me. So grab your coffee, grab your tea dolls, and let's do this empty apartment tour. Let's go.
Could be a dream, and I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so far. Oh, life and I ding dong, if I could take you up in boom 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 boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, life could be a dream. And I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. And I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
As soon as you come in, you have right now it's furnished. When I move in, all of this is going to change. This is the model room. So when you come in, you have the living room. All of this is going to change. Like, this is not going to be how my apartment's going to look like. You have these floors here that are wooden floors. You have this gorgeous open spaced living room. It's so huge and it's perfect for my needs. I'm going to change this, and there's going to be a chandelier there. There's going to be like huge, like gorgeous lamps there. And the patio is right here, which I'm going to open for you dolls later, but the patio has like a really gorgeous view of the pool. Can you see the pool? This is luxury, dolls. It's gorgeous. We're going to see that soon. So this is the model room. This is not my apartment is not ready to actually show because I'm moving in 2 days, but I'm giving you an idea. I've already made myself at home with my heels on the floor and my handbag on the counter. It's just, I'm at home. The countertops are granite and marble. And as I said, this is the model home. You're going to see my apartment when I move in. It has like these lamps. This is the door. Don't want to show you the entrance. And it has just a gorgeous sink like this. Don't know why I'm opening that. And then it just has like up-to-date stuff. Like, it's so luxury in here. It has some wine for me ready. And it has a huge Frigidaire fridge, so I'm going to open it. Oh my god, there are snacks waiting for me. We got like popsicles. I'm going to be taking this with me. And then they got ice cream, like some ice cream, M&M's ice cream, so that's the freezer. And on this side, they've stocked it with chips. Oh my goodness. Look, they have me stocked. No, and then like nuts and stuff. We got water inside here, Coke, everything, just everything, and more, like chips. Oh, I'm going to be taking all of this out. But yeah, so that's what they have in there. And then they have some like wine in there in the wine cellar. So this is the side where all the magic's going to be happening, the cooking. Then they have like the microwave, like the why did I say microwave and touch this? They have this, they have like, I just love the up-to-date granite tabletop, like the tops. They have, this is all displayed. It's not going to be mine. This is just here for show. This is not mine at all, okay? So they have this electric stove and the oven. So it comes with an oven. I'll be keeping that. They have this microwave, also Frigidaire. Everything is Frigidaire. Frigidaire, I hope I'm saying it right. Yeah, Frigidaire. Then they have like all of these. I don't think they're going to leave these for me to keep, but it's there. So they have so many pantry cupboards with water inside it. Just random like that. We're going to be changing all of this, by the way. But yeah, so it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the kitchen before I show you the bedrooms and the closet and all that fun stuff. So you can see, here is the kitchen, and they have all this furniture is going to be gone. It's just here for display. So it's not technically empty, but it's empty. So yeah, and this is one last view. I didn't show you the dining area. So I have all this area here. I'm going to obviously put my own mirror there, have my own little things around very soon. I love this detail here. Gorgeous shelving. I love that for like putting cute books in there. That room is an electric room. I'm not even going to open that. So I'm going to change that. I wouldn't have a dining because I want to just have a mirror to do my lookbooks and stuff. So this area is going to change completely. And I'm going to see that at the end. But it's so gorgeous in here. It's so glamorous. We're going to look at, and then they have this like bar cart with all this stuff here. Again, more mirrors can go here. So we're going to look at the bedroom. This bedroom has no door to it, so you just walk straight in, but they can put a door in there. And you have a gorgeous view of like this chessboard. Can you dolls see the chessboard? Look. So gorgeous. And they have the dog park here as well, somewhere around here. But I just love the views. It's just like complete luxury. And this is a 2-bedroom. So they have this huge bed here. This doesn't come with the bed. They have me. I almost walked into this in the mirror. I love this mirror, but it's not going to come in here. Obviously, I'm going to change and have my own mirror. They have just like side tables, and here is the bathroom. This is the bathroom that has the shower in it. I love the shower. I'm going to open it up. It's a walk-in shower. How gorgeous. It has marble walls. I love all this up-to-date stuff. Like, I love new stuff in an apartment or in a house. It's a massive shower. It can fit like 3 people in here. I love it. I'm going to do some changes in there as well. But it's a massive, massive, massive shower. I just love it. I'm obsessed with that detail. And look at this. Gorgeous. Everything is bigger in Texas. I tell you that all the time. Same kind of marble countertop. I love the new appliances. Those 2 sink, his and hers. And we got the toilet. I love the massive mirror, but I'm definitely going to change this mirror. Definitely changing this mirror. We got the toilet. Love that. It's away from the shower. And then, wait, no, before I show you, we have like a cupboard right here where you can put all your bath towels. It has like a basket ready with towels in there. And you can change this to what you want it to be. And I guess you can put your sponge on this little thing here. So now we're going to look at the walk-in closet. The first walk-in closet. There's 2 walk-in closets here, dolls. Let's proceed. So this one has no door to it. They can put a door as well when I want it. It's huge. As you can see, I've walked into it. And I'm going to add like cute shelves, like white plain shelves around this whole closet. Like, it's going to be massive and just gorgeous in here. It's got so much space. You can add so many hills. You can add chairs and furniture in here. You can even add a TV in here if you wanted to. Like, it's just, it's a room of its own. This is like a bedroom. This walk-in, it's literally what it says. It's a walk-in closet. It's massive. So this is walk-in closet number 1. You're going to see the second one in the other room. So it's gorgeous. I can't wait to see what I'm going to do with all these shelves. But these shelves, I'm going to remove this shelf. These shelves, I don't like wide shelves. I'm going to have them as just plain white shelves. Let's go see the other room. They know I love bows. Look at this detail they did for me. How cute is this? It's in the shape of a bow. Oh my god, that is so gorgeous, dolls. Look at that. They know LB's coming around and LB likes bows, so I want my tissue to just always look like this. Okay, come with me, dolls. Let's go and look at bedroom number 2 and see what they have. Let's go. Okay, so I'm back out now in the main area. So I'm moving all the way to bedroom number 2. The first thing we are greeted with is a toilet again. And this toilet has just 1 sink. And it looks the same, 1 huge mirror. It's got like a huge mirror. And we have the toilet, obviously. This one has a bathtub in it, so this one has this gorgeous bathtub as well. The marble theme in here and a gorgeous shower. It's a massive round bathtub. I love that. Imagine all the nice fun baths that can take place here. Imagine all the fun like videos, like we can do like self-care videos in here. It's just gorgeous. Obviously these curtains are going in here as well. We have more shelving, so you can put your towels in there. And I just love that. I just love the marble. The marble is just so gorgeous to me. Like, I love it. It's just gorgeous. It's just so lush. Like, I love this whole view. Like, it's just, again, everything's big in Texas. Everything's better in Texas. Oh, laundry room. So in this hallway leading to the next room, here's the laundry room. And I've got this comes with the apartment, so I get to keep this. I've got my washer and dryer, washing machine and dryer in here. Also sponsored by 𝓟𝓷𝓴 again, and I can put more shelves in here and hang all my stuff in here. I can always also use these little corners to store like cleaning products, but it's massive. This is just a massive, this is another room of its own. Again, everything is bigger in Texas. So second bedroom. So we have like this wall here that I can just hang stuff on this wall, like more mirrors, more artwork. So this is the second bedroom. It's massive. I love this big round mirror. I'm gonna ask them if I can keep this, dolls. This is perfect for selfies. But like seriously, it's so gorgeous. I want to keep this big black mirror. I wish it was in gold. I'm being picky now. This one has another gorgeous view of the pool. So if I wanted to like just look at people watch, I can. Look at that. So gorgeous. The pool is just wow. So that's that. I have that gorgeous view of the pool, and then I'm on the first ground, so like ground level, so I don't have the balcony view. But anyway, this is the bedroom. Again, another walk-in closet. I'm gonna walk round to show you. Here we go, another walk-in closet. And again, we have, this one feels like it's smaller, but it feels smaller, but it's still a big closet. And again, I can customize the shelves and add whatever shelves I want in here. It's just gorgeous, just absolutely stunning. I love it. Like, it's beautiful. Love it. It's beautiful. Can't wait to remove all this stuff in here and add my own flair to it. But it's a huge, 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 huge home. So yeah, balcony. Again, as I come out that room, I have the view of the kitchen. One last time, the front door. And balcony. So I'm going to show you the balcony. Wait, I need the key to open the balcony. Let's go and see the balcony. Here is the balcony. Well, this is a patio because I'm on the ground level. But if I was to go up, you'll have a really, really gorgeous sky view of the, you know, of the pool. The pool is absolutely breathtaking. I probably will show you that later. I don't know, but there's a lot of people there, and it's just so relaxing. Here is like the patio. Got like, I can put chairs in here, I could put fake grass. It would normally have railings if I was upstairs, and it would normally have like a storage right here. It's just gorgeous. It's just a gorgeous place. It's so peaceful, and I just love it in here. So peaceful. I wanted to include pictures of the apartment. This is inside with no furniture inside it, like empty apartment, so you can see without anything inside it. So this is how it's going to be. Once I move in with everything, I'm going to remove all of that stuff that was there, and this is empty because I really want you to get an effect of how it looks like when it's empty. And this is the kitchen. I'm going to do like a tour of the whole apartment complex, like the whole community, so you can see how it looks like. This is the living room. It's just so gorgeous, and I'm so obsessed with it. And you're going to see like the rest of the place. I'm going to show you like the swimming pool area. This is the bathroom, so you guys saw that. And also I couldn't show you the pool because there were people there, so you're about to see the pool. So here is the pool. This is like a picture of it, so you can get a feel of how it looks like. And it's just so dreamy, like everything you see matches exactly how it looks like when you're standing here, if not better. And it's so peaceful, and that's just the whole community. It's just gated luxury. This is luxury living. It's like considered a luxury apartment in Houston. This is a dog park, so they have the dog park, and that's that. This is the movie theater, so you can come here and watch like movies. And this is like the pool. We call it snooker in London area. That's what we call it. Here's the gym. This is like the gym area. They've got weights and all of that type of stuff. And this is the studio gym. And I just love it. I'm so happy to call this home. This is just like another area people can chill out. And it just feels like a hotel, but it's literally not. It's like so amazing. These are office areas. And then just more areas like clubhouse area where you can just like chill out and hang out, and another clubhouse area. There's just so much free space and stuff here. And here's the pool again, and that's the tour. So there we have it. My apartment tour is done, dolls. Thank you so much for watching this video. I cannot wait to move in. I move in 2 days. Well, by the time you watch this video, I've already moved in, and the first videos you're going to be seeing me is unpacking and just getting used to my apartment. And you know, it's going to be fun decorating. We're going to be having so much fun decorating my apartment. It's going to be all pink. It's going to be a gorgeous pink palace with chandeliers and gorgeous mirrors. I can't wait to take you on the journey. So get ready for that. Subscribe to my channel if you're new and you want to see how gorgeous my apartment comes along. Thank you so much for watching, dolls, and smooches. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, dolls. Bye.
Life could be a dream, and I think plans would come true. And I think my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life. And I think take you up in boom 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, and I think plans would come true. And I think my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby.